comes the SEPTA Silverliner 5 at Chalfont, Pennsylvania. Silverliner 5 to Philadelphia.
Please consult your timetable.
Have fun in Philadelphia. Malvern. Oh, there he goes. That was quick. There he goes. The next station is Cornwall, I think. There he goes. We have a SEPTA Silverliner 4 to Doylestown. Oh, it's only 4 cars long. Have fun at the Doylestown. Awesome. This is my first time seeing SEPTA in 3 years. And there he goes under the bridge. That's it for now.